In a joint operation by the Indian Army and CRPF, 2 individuals were arrested in Assam's Charaideo district for illegally selling and transporting arms and ammunition in Upper Assam, Nagaland and South Arunachal Pradesh. Based on specific intelligence inputs, a swift operation was conducted jointly by the Indian Army and CRPF in Charaideo, leading to the apprehension of the 2 individuals who were allegedly involved in arms smuggling. As per sources, one 22mm pistol and ammunition were recovered from the individuals. Both were handed over to the Assam police for inquiry and further action on the matter.